5 futuristic transportation concepts you must see. The rate of technical advancement is accelerating across all industries, including transportation. Are you excited to know what technology innovation is going to create in the future transportation industry? In this video, we're going to present you the future transportation innovations that will eventually be introduced in the upcoming years and how they will affect the expansion of the economy. Number 1. Gyroscopic transport. These are essentially enormous pods of any size that are supported by adaptable legs that may lengthen and widen in response to the demands of the traffic, allowing them to easily pass under bridges and overpasses for vehicles. The flexible legs may simply raise up and down independently to step over obstacles if a car or any other situation is blocking the rail, allowing them to bypass small traffic jams or road incidents and continue moving forward. Passengers can either ride in style inside opulent pods with plush couches and TVs, or they can sit in rows like they would on a bus or subway. The vehicle is now merely a virtual prototype, but there are rumors that Tahir Insat is in talks with Qatar about putting a physical version of it on the ground there sometime in the upcoming years. Number 2. Autonomous transport pods. Next is always the most advanced transportation system based on large numbers of modular vehicles. The next autonomous pods hope to change supply chains, public transportation, and possibly how we conduct business. With the exception of a small lean to this cubic construction, it may not have the most aesthetically beautiful or futuristic design, but it might work. On typical city roads, each module can connect to and separate from other modules. Passengers can stand and move freely between modules when they're connected together to form an open bus-like space. The next smart routing system will operate the cars independently and connect the modules to redistribute passengers and maximize occupancy rates while reducing energy use and traffic footprint. Which sounds pretty interesting. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Number 3. Hyperloop. An elevated technology that is energy efficient and emits no direct emissions is a revolutionary transportation concept that will transform not only the transportation industry, but the entire civilization. It will link cities and logistical centers in a matter of minutes by operating autonomously, utilizing cutting-edge tech, and minimizing distances by astounding amounts. The developers are actively working on scaling up their technology. After these trials, which will be conducted over the following 2 to 3 years, sufficient information on the most recent developments will have been gathered to enable the selection of the most scalable and sustainable technologies, and the execution of trials on a real-world scale. At its test facility in Las Vegas, Virgin Hyperloop conducted the first human trial in November 2020, reaching a high speed of 107 miles per hour. Number 4. Flying taxis. It's difficult to tell if the flying taxis are coming extremely late or very early. On the one hand, the promise of flying taxis whizzing between buildings has long been a staple of science fiction. On the other hand, not that long ago, futuristic technologies like hoverboards and hotels on the moon were included under the heading "We'll See" and included air taxis. Many manufacturers anticipate that by 2025, their vehicles will have received safety approval and be ready to fly. Flying taxis are not exactly like flying cars. Rather, it's a black, cab-sized version of electrified air travel. It's like Uber in the air. Consider a helicopter without the noise or reliance on a single main rudder. Number 5. Driverless cars. Driverless cars, sometimes referred to as an autonomous car, self-driving car, or robotic automobile, is a vehicle that can drive itself. A vehicle that can sense its surroundings and function without human intervention is an autonomous vehicle. There is no requirement for a human passenger to operate the car at any moment or even to be inside the vehicle at all. An autonomous vehicle can go anywhere a traditional vehicle can go and can perform any task that a skilled human driver can. Currently, there are 6 degrees of driving automation defined by the Society of Automotive Engineers, SAE, ranging from level 0, completely manual, to level 5, fully autonomous. In order to run software, autonomous automobiles need sensors, actuators, sophisticated algorithms, machine learning systems, and potent CPUs. So, what do you think about these future advancements in the transportation industry? Tell us your thoughts in the comments box below. That's it for this video. Make sure to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Till then, have a wonderful day.